Young people around the world are losing trust in the people building AI, even as businesses like Swiggy quietly put that same AI to work, solving real problems. Good morning, I'm Linu Konil, and this is 6 Minutes of Silence. Before we start, a small honest note. Yesterday, this show went quiet. I'd just come back from the Kovilpatti event at 3 in the morning, and my body simply said rest. So I did. I'll make it up to you with an extra episode this Saturday, the 22nd. Thank you for understanding. Today, a generation that doesn't trust AI's leaders and a city that's putting AI to work anyway. An important survey worth 2 minutes of your time. A new tool in one line. A Greek classic worth the wait. And a poem to close it. A new survey this week landed hard. A poll of over 1,000 Americans aged 18 to 34 found that 81% don't trust Palantir's CEO to act responsibly on AI. With Zuckerberg, Musk, and Sam Altman all close behind. Only Satya Nadella came out with net positive trust. 45% said AI will hurt their careers, and 60% want data center buildout slowed down. And here in India, a very different signal. Swiggy launched Guru, a 24/7 AI business partner for its restaurant partners, helping them make data-driven decisions, optimize their sales funnels, and resolve day-to-day operational headaches automatically. The same week, young people said they don't trust the people building AI. One of India's most familiar names quietly put it to work helping small restaurant owners survive. Before we continue, a quick word. On August 15th, the financials vertical of the All India Professionals Congress launched something important: the Universal Layoff Insurance and Protection Framework. It's a proposal for real income security for anyone who's ever faced a sudden job loss. And right now, the survey tied to this framework is live. If you or someone you know has been affected by a layoff in tech, banking, manufacturing, any industry at all, this survey is your chance to be counted. The links in the show notes takes just a few minutes. Please fill it in and share it forward. If mornings like this are useful to you, hit follow so tomorrow's lands in your feed without you having to go looking for it. The AI tool of the day is Van 3.0 by Alibaba, a new AI video model in public beta. It can transform an entire PowerPoint deck or PDF into a polished 30-second video without manual editing. Today from the kitchen, a Greek classic worth every minute. Moussaka, Greek eggplant lasagna. Salt and roast your eggplant first. That's the base of everything. Layer it with a rich tomato sauce made with beef or lamb, spiced with cinnamon and oregano. That warm spice is what makes moussaka taste like moussaka and nothing else. Top it with rich Parmesan béchamel and breadcrumbs. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes until it's beautifully golden. Let it rest 10 minutes before slicing. Moussaka needs that pause to hold its layers together. Warm, spiced and layered, like a good lasagna's Mediterranean cousin. And now a poem. It's called Trust Tools Taverna. Question the giants, challenge the code, let every bold new feature earn our trust. While India puts AI beside its businesses, solving problems because it must. Let machines race ahead, but keep human hands firmly steering the way. Then bring that fire to the table with a golden, bubbling Greek moussaka today. That was 6 minutes of silence. See you tomorrow. Same room, different door.